Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be working on the blue mountains and pavilions that I got from AliExpress, and we're still up here in this area working, and the color is 503. Let me pull you down. All right, so how is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. Yeah, I hope it's warmer today than it was yesterday. It was a little chilly, a little rainy here and there, but nothing too horrible. It did finally clear off about 4 o'clock-ish. So the sun actually came out and then it went away, and it was kind of chilly after the sun went down, but hey, it is what it is. Oh my goodness. Stitched a bit on my hairpin ladies yesterday. I was a little tired when I got home. It's just a little bit busier. It's not too sorry, pulling you over here so you can see. I can't really fold this. I forgot what I was saying. Oh my goodness. I hate when that happens. Just lose my whole train of thought. So yeah, I worked on the hairpin ladies, and that was about all I worked on because I was just kind of pooped and it got a little bit busy there for a bit, and then of course it died down about 7 o'clock. So yay. And I'm sorry that I didn't get the pictures in there yesterday because I made the video a little bit too long, and so I had to directly upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to put those pictures right in here, and yeah, so I didn't forget y'all. Thank you for sharing it, both of you. I appreciate it. They're beautiful. Just beautiful. That Tanya, she is just finishing them left and right, ain't she? Good job. I don't even have anything close to being finished. Oh, I know what else I stitched on. I stitched on those busy ladies for a little, whoops, sorry. Those busy ladies for a while. Yeah. I was working on that skirt part, trying to get some more color down in there. So I might work on that a bit today. We'll just have to see. I finally got to a part on the hairpin ladies where it's going to require me being like over here in my stitchy chair with a light really brightly shining on it, because there are 2 shades of green right there. And you know, you're stitching along and then all of a sudden you can't tell the difference. Yeah, it's time to quit for a hot moment, or else you're going to mess it up. So yeah, I had that problem with the busy ladies as well, because there's a pink and an orange. So that's why not a lot of it got done. And by the time I got home and ready to sit down, and yeah, it was just too late. I really couldn't see it. So yeah, fun times, fun times. I don't know what's going on here, but we're gonna fix that here in a second. So I just go through the hoop and go back where I'm supposed to go down and just cinch it just a bit, and it fixes that right up. Not sure why there was a loop there. Haven't stitched on this a whole lot. Been up here in this mountain for a hot moment, so I thought, well, we might be able to make a little bit of progress. This color is kind of a greenish blue, but it's really faint. Sometimes it looks like a pale olive green, and others it looks like a pale blue green. So we'll see. So what is everybody else working on? Hope that you're working on something you love. Something that's fun. Because there's no sense in working on something that makes you miserable. Yep. Is anybody going anyplace fantastic this weekend? Doing anything? I don't know, is Mother's Day this weekend? I just can't even remember. I forgot to look at the calendar at work, so I don't know if it's this weekend or next weekend. Guess we'll have to wait and see. I'll figure it out through my Google, but just asking for a friend. I hate going backwards. I can't stitch from left to right. Worth a darn. It's pathetic. My wrist won't go in that direction. And then invariably I get the stitching started wrong, so that doesn't help at all. Get my scissors here, hang on. Alright, I am back. Sorry about that. Couldn't find them anywhere. They were underneath this. It's like, I know I had them. What the heck? Oh my goodness. So yeah, no grand plans this weekend. Don't even know what I will decide to stitch on. I am making some progress with those busy ladies, so kind of like to, like I said in the video, keep, you know, working on that bottom part of her skirt and try to get it done. I still have to go back and finish her shirt there, so yeah. Fun times, fun times. I'm glad it's getting a little bit busier at work, so it's not quite so boring and long. Because I do hate that. So it's starting to pick up, not horribly bad, thank goodness. Because we're just all not ready for that. The girl that worked before me said she had 2 busloads of kids that came through. I don't know where they were heading or anything like that. We do get sometimes kids that are either doing sports or like some kind of a field trip. They're going somewhere like maybe Denver or something. So one never can tell. And I know this isn't a long stitch with me today. Sorry about that. But thanks everyone for sending pictures. And if anybody else would like to send any pictures, just send it to my email address. It's in the description box below. And I will try my very best to get them in as soon as I possibly can. And so sorry, I apologize again for not getting them in yesterday. Alright guys, let me get that down there. Got my little needle minder that almost matches this, but not really. It's got green mountains and not blue mountains. Oh, we're just running into everything today. So it's coming along. All I've got to do is finish that around there, and that top part will be done. And then I think we go into a lighter color. You see what I mean? It's kind of yellow right in there. So, yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.